Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to rotate part in assembly. So for example, I will place part from computer. I will use this part, click open and click and then I will create two part. Press escape button to close. Now if you want to rotate this part, you can use the constraint tools. Click here, constraint, and then choose the angle option. So for the first face, I will click in here. And then for rotations axis, I will click at this edge. If you select these options, it will be automatically rotate with 0 degree. You can set like into 90 degree to be rotated into 90 degree in this direction. You also can set in another direction like in here. So I will create again constraints, use this angle tools, select this face, and then use this edge for the direction. Or you can click at this option and then set for angle like 90 degree to be rotated into 90 degree in this direction. Then you can click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial how to rotate part in assembly. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.